and boom, just like that, the posts are in. Ready to go. Cement is happening today, very soon. And we have everything in here. I didn't get to do any filming of the posts going in as I wasn't here, but they are ready to go. Now there are beams to go in here, so not sure what's happening quite there yet, so but I'm sure that'll get figured out along the way. But yeah, everything's ready to rock and roll. Might even be able to squeeze a car in here later on, don't know.
So disgusting. We'll be fine. Let's party. Ooh, boy. Say about that. Very guilty. I'm the devil, biatch. Just kidding, my new catchphrase is, I don't give a why that's working. It makes a difference when you're editing it. Screen size that change. Ooh, boy! We all wanna die! You know what I have to say about that? Very guilty. I'm the devil, biatch. Just kidding, my new catchphrase is, I don't give a
then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand all about what you're looking for, just so I just so I could understand. stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for, keep you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand.
So there we go, end of the day, and the posts are in. The concrete is in. They all look rather pretty the whole way around. So the next thing to do, which will happen in a couple of days when the concrete sets, is to actually put the steel on here. So it's a C-channel steel that'll go in this way. So before then, we're going to clear all this out and get that sorted. The concrete will set a bit, they'll drop it down, do something fancy, so it'll be interesting to watch that. So I'm looking forward to doing that. But that'll probably pop up very shortly, so almost there.